Hello everyone and welcome to Rubik's on Shareable. Please subscribe and smash like. And in today's video, I'm going to do my new 5x5 with steps. Without steps.
Right, okay, so you want me to scramble that for you?
Yes, if you want to see the unboxing, the link will be in the description below.
Okay, I'm going to try and scramble. This has got way too many squares on the 3x3.
Yes, it's a 5x5, not a 3x3.
That's quite obvious. It's got too many tiny squares, so it's more difficult for me to scramble it. I'm sure it's easy to solve, right?
Yeah, because you will make it into a 3x3 if you want.
It's not easy for me.
Yes.
There you go. It's all scrambled.
Okay. Now.
So what are you going to do in this video?
So I'm going to show you the without steps and watch my next video for with steps.
So you're going to try and solve that, yeah?
Yes. So, inspecting, started.
What's the main aim? What are you trying to do?
So the main aim is to get this to look like a 3x3 and then solve it from there. So make it look like a 3x3.
So you've got 3 orange, 3 yellow. So you've done a 3x3 basically inside, isn't it?
Yes. Now I just have to do the edges. The full explanation will be in my with steps video. And And that's it. That's the 5x5 solving done.
Excellent. How long does that roughly take you?
So for me, it roughly takes 4 minutes. For the exact time, you can watch my timed video.
You're going to make that soon.
Yes, it's going to come out after the with steps video. Thank you for watching the video of me showing you a quick overview of the 5x5, which is without steps. Thanks for subscribing and smashing the like button. Thank you and bye bye everyone.